Morning students, today we will start exercise 3.5. Question number 1 is, which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Now you know that how to find the solution by substitution method and by elimination method. Now you will find these equations by cross multiplication method. But first of all, you have to tell which type of linear equation, which type of solution these equations are having. First part is x minus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equals to 0. So we will find here a is 1, b is 3, a1 is 1 and a2 is 3. b1 is minus 3 and b2 is minus 9. c1 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 2. Now we can cancel these. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now we can say here a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 but not equals to c1 upon c2. It means these equations have no solution. Now if we see the second part here, a1 upon a2 is 2 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is 1 upon 2, right? It means that a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. If a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, it means these equations have a unique solution. If you know that if there is a unique solution, it means we have to find the solution now by cross multiplication method. First of all, I will tell you what is the cross multiplication method and how can we use it. Here it is x, one variable is x that you have to find, another variable is y that you have to find, and the constant is 1, right? First of all, you have to write b1 b2, c1 c2, a1 a2, then again b1 b2, right? We have to start with b1 b2, after that the constant term c1 c2, then again with the first term that is a1 upon a2, then we have to stop it by again b1 upon b2. Now the method is x upon, multiply this b1 c2, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? So this is a cross multiplication method. We have to put the values here, and after that if we equate this variable term with the constant term, we can find the value of x variable, and if we equate this term with this constant term, we can find the value of the y variable. Now this is cross multiplication method. First of all, we will write the values of a1, b1, c1 and all. Here a1 is equals to 2, a2 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to 1 and b2 is equals to 2, c1 is equals to, when we will shift here, minus 5 and c2 is equals to minus 8. Now we have to put the values. X upon b1 c2, b1 is 1, multiply by c2 is minus 8, then minus the formula b2 c1, b2 is 2, c1 is minus 5 is equals to y upon c1 is minus 5, a2 is 3, minus c2 is minus 8 and a1 is your 2 is equals to 1 upon a1 is your 2, b2 is your again 2, minus of the formula a2 is your 3 and B1 is your 1, which implies x upon 1 into minus 8 minus minus plus 2 5s are 10 is equals to y upon minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, again minus minus plus 8 2s are 16, which is equals to 1 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3 1s are 3. Now we can say here x upon plus minus minus 10 minus 8 2, y upon plus minus minus 16 minus 15 is 1, 1 upon 4 minus 3 is 1. Now in next step we have to equate this term with this term, means x upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 1, which implies x is equals to 2. Now we will equate this. Y upon 1 is equals to 1 upon 1, which implies y is equals to 1. So in this way we can use the cross multiplication method in order to find the value of the variables x and y.